Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat, Gemini. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga mensahe or energies for Gemini, please? On love and romance, Gemini. Gifts. Love's greatest gift is the ability to truly understand one another. Okay. Falling fast. Love happens quickly, but don't lose yourself in the process. Okay. So be aware of that. Madali kang ma-fall, mahulog, pero don't lose yourself in the process. Okay. Be alert and vigilant also sa mga red flags. Okay. Abundance. Open your heart to receive the abundant love the universe has to offer. Okay. Star, your hope and optimism are a powerful love magnet for you right now. Okay. Yung pagiging positive mo, yung positivity, nagiging powerful magnet siya para sa inyo. Okay? So, stay positive. Do not lose hope. Everything will be okay. Embrace the abundance. For some, you are healing right now because of past hurts. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Gemini, please. Gemini. Gemini, love and romance, energies and messages for love and romance. For Gemini, please, on love and romance, energies and messages. Very attracted sa inyo yung person ninyo, Gemini. Okay. Okay. Yeah, your person wants to work things out with you. At gusto niya rin ibalik yung init ng pagmamahal, yung sexual or sensual attention sa inyo. Okay. Gemini. Yeah. In love ang person ninyo sa inyo ngayon, Gemini, okay? Merong closeness, kung meron man kayong conflict before or hindi pagkakaintindihan, merong forgiveness, okay? Yeah. merong pagkakaintindihan despite sa mga differences. Okay? Yeah, gusto ipakita sa inyo ng person ninyo na gusto pa rin kayo, Gemini. Okay? You are happy right now, Gemini, because of the attention that you're getting. Yeah, yung person nyo gumagawa ng paraan na makipag-ayos ulit sa inyo. Nakikita mo na attracted pa rin siya. You're getting sensual attention from your person. Okay? Merong validation na gusto kanya, physical man or emotional. Okay? Both pareho. Okay? Okay. You want to feel, no, na parang, yeah, you want validation from your person. Gusto mong ilabas kanya, okay? Parang yes, kailangan ng action, movement, dates, or bonding, okay? With your person. Parang yun yung gusto mong mangyari, okay? Na, or ginagawa sa inyo, na ilabas ka, or lumabas kayo, mag-date, manood ng movie, okay? Yeah. Oops. Yeah, okay. So, let go. Kung meron mga past hurts and conflicts sa inyong dalawa before, you have to let it go. Okay? Yeah. Huwag nang ibalik pa kung ano yung blaming games or blaming a person. Okay? Move on. Okay? Heal the situation. Okay, tingnan natin ano yung 8 of Pentacles for Gemini, please. Gemini. Yeah, 5 of Swords. Okay, kung ano man yung conflict, ito na nga, 5 of Swords. Yeah. Kung meron man mga conflict, yung person mo wants to work it out with you, gusto niyang ayusin, and at the same time, nakikimatsyag din siya. Okay? Kung ano yung totoong, yeah, parang kung ano yung motives or intention mo in the relationship. Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo, Gemini, sa inyong relasyon? Yeah. Gustong malaman ng person mo, okay? Yeah. Gusto niya ng pag-aayos. Kung meron man argumentation. So, parang yung person mo, he or she is just getting ready. If in case, merong blaming, okay? Yung binabalik kung ano mang nangyari in the past. Okay? So, your person wants to prepare for that also. Gusto niyang i-work out yun. Gusto niyang ayusin yan sa inyo. Okay? Gusto niya i-correct yun sa inyo. Gemini. Okay? Yeah. 8 of Cups. Okay? Yeah. Your person wants to move on kung meron man kayong conflict. Okay? Not really to forget it, but gusto niya mag-move on sa mas makabuluhang pangyayari about sa inyong dalawa. Okay? He or she is not taking any nonsense with you, kumbaga. Okay? He or she wants to take the lead in the relationship. Gusto niyang ayusin kung ano man yung mga hindi pagkakasunduan or may problema man kayong dalawa. Gusto niyang ayusin yun. Okay? Ayaw niya ng pabalik-balik na arguments or paulit-ulit. Okay? Oops. Yeah. Yeah. Your person really wants to make action para magkaayos kayong dalawa. Okay. Yeah. Queen of Pentacles. You feel happy, Gemini, because your person is giving you attention. Okay? Pinibigyan ka na niya ng oras, ng attention, or ng support. Kung kailangan mo siya, nandyan siya to provide you or to be with you. Gemini, okay? Your person is like your partner. Sa trabaho man yon or sa pamumuhay, he or she is very supportive para sa inyo. Yeah. Page of Pentacles. Three of Swords. Yeah. Yeah. Kailangan talaga ng healing sa sitwasyon. Okay? Pag-aayos. Yung totoo or yung honest na communication sa isa't isa. Yung totoong pag-aayos. Kung ano yung ayaw ng isa. Merong respeto. Okay? Sa kung ano yung gusto ng isa. Okay? And vice versa. Pagkakaintindihan, merong pag-uusap, okay? For some, there is a problem when it comes sa pagtutuloy or pag-i-improve ng relasyon because of a third party. Okay? Yeah. Kasi walang proper healing in the situation. Kaya the advice is kailangan ng healing. Huwag pabalik-balik, okay? Or paulit-ulit yung sitwasyon. Every time na nag-aaway, okay? Ang challenge is every time na pag nag-uusap kayong dalawa, binabalik. Okay? Binabalik. Para bang walang solusyon. You cannot, hindi maka-move forward ng maayos. Because of this. Third party, other people involvement. Okay? 3 people involvement. Okay? Yeah. Parang ito yung blockage para magtuloy-tuloy at magkaroon ng katahimikan ang inyong relasyon. Yes, your person, mahal ka ng person mo. Okay? But sometimes, because of this 5 of Swords, okay, away bate, and 8 of Cups, aalis, tapos babalik. Okay? So, parang it's kind of tiring. You have to let go. Kung bumabalik sa inyo yung past or past hurts, kung ano man nangyari, okay, you have to really, kailangan ng deep healing, totoong heal. Kung kailangan na isarado yung ganyang issue, okay, i-seal na, isarado na yan, and move forward. Yeah. Gemini. Four of Pentacles. Okay. Options. Okay. Now, it's like one of you parang merong withholding of emotions. Parang ayaw niya na ipakita or magbigay pa ng energy or attention. Okay? Sa relationship, someone is open to new possibilities, options. Okay? Yeah. Kung hindi to mariresolba, okay? Kung laging paulit-ulit, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Someone is being controlling and possessive also. That's why someone is open to new possibilities and options. Okay? Masaya ka sa tao na to, Gemini, kasi tinutulungan kayo. Maybe sa work to or sa money, merong partnership. But then again, because someone is very possessive and controlling and parang hindi makaget over sa mga past hurts or maling or mga pagkakamali noon. So, every time merong argumentation, okay, pabalik-balik. So, aalis, bate kayong dalawa. Walang proper healing. Okay? So, the situation, okay, someone is puzzled, parang hindi alam kung anong gagawin, okay, because someone is very controlling and possessive. Also, when it comes to money, parang hindi aware na yung isa is now already, parang hindi aware yung isa na pinupush siya na palayo yung person. Okay? So, if this is you, Gemini, you need to heal. Okay? Deep healing at pangangalaga sa sarili ang kailangan. Okay? You need to move on. Okay? Otherwise, binibigyan mo ng chance or maging chance yung other person na mag-look for other options. Okay? Tingnan natin yung Four of Swords. This is Four of Swords. Yeah. Someone, parang in this situation, yung someone, parang hindi niya na alam, okay, kung anong pupuntahan ng inyong relasyon, whether to stay or not. Okay? So, kailangan ng honest conversation and communication sa inyong relasyon if you want to keep the relationship. Four of Swords, please. Four of Swords. Yeah, Eight of Swords. So, yung negative thoughts, okay, you need to let go of positive thoughts. Yeah. Kailangan ni-let go. For some of you, Gemini, you are disappointed of your person. Yeah. Okay. You are happy because sinusuportahan ka ng person mo. Okay. Nandyan siya. Okay. So, kung may kailangan man i-heal sa inyong sitwasyon, honest communication or honest conversation between the two of you, if you want to keep the relationship, kailangan i-improve or bigyan ng solusyon. Okay? Kung ano man ang problema ninyo, kung ano man yung conflict, kung bakit. Yeah. Parang hindi makausad-usad ang inyong relasyon in a happier or smooth way. Okay? So, let go kung ano man yung mga past hurts. Hidden truths from your person. Let's see, ano yung mga messages? Hidden truths from your person. I knew exactly what I was doing. Okay. Just being near you is intoxicating. Okay, that is for some of you. Yeah. I love you. Yes, mahal ka ng person mo. Gemini. Okay. Just take what resonates and leave the rest. Yung iba sa inyo, it is the other way around. Okay. Yung person mo, or siya yung, for some of you, kung opposite man, siya yung parang hindi makaget over at paulit-ulit ino-open up kung ano may mga past mistakes. Okay? If it's not you, Gemini. One more. I replay our conversations over and over. Okay? So need ng totoong pagpapagaling ng emosyon, totoong pagpapatawad sa past mistakes kung meron man at kung yun ang cause ng conflict. Okay? So, be honest with your emotions, be open, okay, and expressive. Alright? So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Gemini. Maraming salamat sa iyo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!